Huawei MatePad Pro 11 2024. New 5.9mm thick tablet debuts with 120Hz OLED and two-way satellite communication capabilities. Huawei has expanded its two-way satellite communication software with the MatePad Pro 11 2024, a new flagship tablet that is a mere 5.9mm thick. Huawei has also installed a 120Hz OLED display, an 8300 mAh battery that supports 66W wired charging, and a 6-speaker system. Thick. Huawei has also installed a 120Hz OLED display, an 8300 mAh battery that supports 66W wired charging, and a 6-speaker system. Alex Alderson, published November 28, 2023 tablet launch. Huawei has updated the MatePad Pro 11, nearly 18 months after it last refreshed its iPad Pro 11 alternative. For reference, the company now refers to its 11-inch tablet as the MatePad Pro 11 2024, presumably because of its continued availability throughout next year. On the face of it, the new MatePad Pro 11 resembles last year's model, with a circular rear-facing camera housing and a punch-hole front-facing camera situated within its upper left-hand corner. In fact, it appears that Huawei has reused last year's camera sensors, with a 16-megapixels f2.2 front-facing camera complemented by 13-megapixels f1.8 primary and 8-megapixels f2.2 ultra-wide-angle rear-facing cameras. Likewise, the MatePad Pro 11 2024 can record videos in up to 4K 30 fps, which only matches its predecessor. Moreover, the new MatePad Pro 11 has an 8300 mAh battery that supports 66W wired charging, another unchanged feature from the MatePad Pro 11 2022. That outputs at 2560 x 1600 pixels in a 16:10 aspect ratio with 600 nits peak brightness and a 120Hz refresh rate. In other words, the new model may also rely upon the same display as its predecessor. Huawei does not provide any details about the chipset used this time around though, which implies that a Kirin 9000 is present, like in the Mate X5 and Mate 60 series. Arguably, the biggest change between last year's and this year's models is the inclusion of two-way satellite connectivity, which the MatePad Pro 11 2024 achieves via the Beidou satellite network. The tablet lacks any cellular connectivity though, with Huawei electing against offering a 5G model for the time being. Huawei's latest 5.9mm and 449 grams tablet starts at 4,299 Chinese yuan till the 604 United States dollars in China with Harmony OS 4, 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Alternatively, the MatePad Pro 11 2024 is available with 512 GB of storage and the same RAM configuration for 4,799 Chinese yuan till the 673 United States dollars. Huawei has not confirmed global availability yet, but it eventually brought last year's model to market outside its home market.